we came back over here to the American Standard failure because I just wanted to. It's a lazy Sunday and I just had a free moment, and then I was kind of thinking about it, and Steven said that maybe a boost would work, and so we came. I actually found one in the shop, and Super Boost SPP6. I don't know if this is sure this is not a big one. Relay hard start cap. Let's see, increases compressor starting torque 500%. For tight compressors, low voltage, quick recycling. 120 through 288, so it's half through 10 horse. You just connect the two wires on the cap, you know. And 22 amp max, 77 volt AC. And I just pulled this out of the wrapper, so and we put the good capacitor back on there with it, 55.5 440, and it didn't do it. I told her I wasn't going to charge. I told the customer I wasn't going to charge her for it. You know, if it didn't turn the compressor over. And, on my meter, on the common, without the boost, it was pulling. I think it was 99, and then it was pulling 101 on the run to the compressor. With the boost on, I was pulling about 118 on the common, and I was pulling 113, I believe, or 114 on the run. So we had a higher amperage draw on both the common and the run with the boost on, but there's no go. So we're going to go back to the house, and it was worth a shot anyway. I told the customer, don't worry, no charge at all for coming out, no charge for trying it if it didn't work. And I just want to let you guys know.
Were you trying to get crazy with this thing? Don't you know I'm loco?